Alright, this is one we did in class. It's question number 12 on your review. Alright, so we're solving for L. It's a literal equation. So you just want to get L by itself and we want it to equal. Now I put a little L, have a big L for thing, it's still the same L. I'm just kind of. So we have to ask ourselves what's being done to the variable. And we're talking about L, and so L is being multiplied by 2. And it's also being added. Don't forget the sign is in front of the number, so it's being added by 2W. Alright, we always want to get rid of the add and subtract first. Alright, so we're going to get rid of add and subtract first. So if L is being added by 2W, we're going to subtract 2W to both sides of the equal sign. Now there's the equal sign. It's on the other side this time, so we're going to have to be careful. 2W. Alright, now on this side of the equal sign, you notice I have P minus 2W. And on this side of the equal sign, these cancel out. It becomes a zero pair, and the only thing I have is 2W. So we're going to put equal. Don't forget your equal sign. A lot of kids forget the equal sign, 2L. Now we're going to get rid of the multiply and divide. Alright, so you got to look at yourself. What's your variable? The variable is L. What's being done to L? It's being multiplied by 2. We're talking about right here. The L is being multiplied by 2. So the opposite of multiply by 2 is divide everything by 2. Now the 2's here will cancel out because that's what we want. We want L by itself. This here we can say P is divided by 2. And if you look right here, this 2 and this 2 can cancel each other out. It's still a negative, so watch out. So it's a negative W equals, and then the only thing we have over here is an L. So here's my answer. Now you could write it this way. You could write the L here and put P over 2 minus W, and it's the same thing.